Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course I am back to teach another line dance and it's called Perfect Harmony. It's a good workout, guys. You're going to get your steps in. Um, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. Now this is the instructional. If you're interested in the demo, I'll post it at the end of this video. Also, check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. I want to give a shout out to everyone who have registered. Thank you and book your room. I see y'all guys. If you want detailed information, please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. So guys, are you ready? Let's go. So we're going to stand, let me see here, we'll stand right here. We're going to start here at this wall. So it's going to step, there's only two parts, and it's a 4-wall dance that moves counterclockwise. So there's no changes, no tags, and no switches. Okay? So you're going to start with the weight on the left. You're going to go tap front, side, coaster, step. Again, the weight is on the left. 5, 6, 7, and tap front, side, coaster, step. A right coaster step. Okay? So that right leg is in the front. You're going to step, pivot, half. Step, pivot, half. Just coming back to this wall. If you don't want to turn, you're going to go left, right, left, right. So the last step is on your right. Let's put that together. 5, 6, 7, and tap front, side, right, coaster, step, left, step, pivot, half, left, step, pivot, half. Okay? Now we're going to step to the side because the last step was on the right. So we're going to go side step, step sailor, kick, and cross. Step to the side, step, sailor, kick, and cross. 5, 6, 7, and step, sailor, kick, and cross. Here's where our turn comes. We're going to tap for 4. Tap, 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 tap. And the shoulder is going to move forward, quarter turn to the next wall. The wall to the left. With the right shoulder coming forward, quarter turn. Let's put that together. Front side. Front, side, right coaster, step, step, pivot, half, step to the side, step, sailor, kick, and cross, tap, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Let's do that at this wall, because I want you to see something. Alright, so this wall. Front side, 5, 6, 7, and front, side, right, coaster, step, step, pivot, half, step to the side on the left, step, sail, kick, and cross, tap, 1, 2, 3, 4. So my right heel is up. So now I'm going to move it up. I'm going to move forward. So I'm going to go right, left, tap, right, left, tap. Again, 5, 6, 7, step. Right, left, tap, right, left, tap, out. Again, 5, 6, 7, and right, left, tap, right, left, tap, out. Coaster, step. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, tap, right, left, tap, out, right, coaster, step. Okay, now we're going to add on. So let's stay at this wall right here. I'm going to move you at different walls depending on the parts, okay? So let's go back to this wall so we can add on to that step, okay? So a review. Front, side, right coaster, step, step, pivot, half, step, pivot, half, step to the side, step, sailor, kick, and cross. We tap 1, 2, 3, 4. That right heel is up. Move it forward, right, left, tap, right, left, tap, out. Right coaster step. Okay, so that's what we're doing. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and front, side, right coaster step, step, pivot, half, side step, side, sailor, kick, and cross tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step right, right, left, tap, right, left, tap, out, right coaster step, then step, pivot, half. I just added on. So I step left, step, pivot, half. From here, my left heel is up. The same thing I did on the right, I'm going to do on the left. I say left, right, tap, left, right, tap, out. So my left leg is in the back, but the heel is up. So I step forward, left, right, tap, left. Left, right, tap, left, and out. And then left coaster step, step, pivot, half on the right. Now, when my students were doing this, they had to realize that once they did the tap, which is right, left, tap, right, left, tap, out, right coaster step, they still got to step on the left and then pivot half, okay? So they still have to make one step, another step forward to make that turn. On the left, left, right, tap, left, right, tap, out, left coaster step, on the opposite leg, step, pivot half. That's the end of the dance. When you do that step, pivot half, my weight is on the left, and the dance starts over. So let's put it together. So instructors, take your time teaching this dance because it's fast. So make sure they know each step. Because when the music drops, you gotta know it. You gotta have that muscle memory in your footwork and also in your head. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, and front, side, right coaster step, step, pivot half, step, pivot half, left, step, sailor, kick, and cross tap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step right, right, left, tap, right, left, tap, out, right coaster step, step, pivot half on the left, step left, left, right, tap, left, right, tap, out, left coaster step, step, pivot half. Now, let me give you the count. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, kick 3 and 4, tap 5, 6, 7, 8. Right 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, coaster 5 and 6, turn 7, 8. Left 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Last step is on the left. And you start all over again. You talk about a workout. This is a great workout. I love the cardiovascular training that you get in this dance. So take your time, instructors and students, to learn the steps and then put the music in. The intro is 64 counts. When you learn the dance, come back and let me know how did you do, okay? That is Sweet Harmony, and it is a 4-wall dance that moves counterclockwise. Remember, I will put up the demo at the end. Let's dance together. Also, check out the NOLA Southern Experience. I would love to see you there. Giving a shout out to everyone who have registered already. All the details are right there on our website. You can register and book your room. www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.